Hi guys, so today I got these big good books from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So before we get into it, I have some complaints as usual. It would be more weird if I was actually happy, but I actually ordered this on December 30th. I don't know when you guys are going to see this video because I'm pre-recording, but today's January 24th. I just got this yesterday, so let's be fair, January 23rd. So it took 3 weeks to get here from California. I don't know, I think that's, 3 weeks for an order is pretty incredible, just considering the fact that I just got my overseas order and that took 2 weeks to get here, and it literally was like taking boats and planes and stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure that e.l.f. delivers like via mule or like, I don't know. Alright, so we're going to be getting into this big old box because it's been literally that long. I honestly forgot about a lot of what's in here. But this is on top, and this is the reason I made this order. So if you guys are new here, I reviewed the Jewel Pop Mad for Matte palette that they came out with, and I absolutely hated it, and I continue to hate it. First of all, this is the first time I've opened this box, and the word eyeshadow is worn off. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a little brush, which reminds me a lot of like the Urban Decay palettes and the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, but it's got like these teals and these gorgeous like gold shimmers. And then it's got this like cool toned, the brush just wants to pop out. It's got this cool tone transition shade. And then this is a shimmer. This one is like a nice olivey green. So there's what the swatches look like. I'll go ahead and start swatching things. I'm sure I'm going to be covered in swatches, but that looks pretty good. The reason I didn't like the e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette is just because it literally didn't stay on my eyes. And the colors just didn't appear to be the same as the colors in the pan. That's looking pretty good, but to be honest, the Mad for Matte palette also swatched really well. That palette was $10 and had 10 shadows in it, and then this one only has 7 shadows in it, and I believe it was a little more pricey. So I think that the chances of the quality is a little bit more in here. It's pretty good. Listen, if I don't like this palette, then I will never bother the e.l.f. eyeshadows again. But truly, I did this to like give it a second try, and I know a lot of people really like e.l.f. and I'm one of those people. I do have some items that I really like from e.l.f. So they seem to be expanding as a brand. I got this Pore Refining Primer Mask. Better than any photo filter in the App Store. I'm assuming this is one of those like murder sheet masks. Yes, it is. It says a sheet mask with priming benefits to minimize the appearance of pores and brighten skin, prepping for flawless makeup application. So I'm excited to try that. Maybe we can put that in a skincare video. This I've already tried. Melissa and Lonnie and I, when the package came to me, we sprayed this on our faces. It smells so good. But look at this mist. Like, mists are really important to me. Do you guys see that? Did you see anything? I don't know. But it's a really nice mist, and it smells like a sweet coconut smell. It's really great. This is their liquid matte lipstick. So this is in the shade Tea Rose. I'll go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, I love that applicator. That would look so pretty with this look today. Just like a little blush pink color. But I really, really love these like vaginal applicators. So I got this Total Face Sponge. I didn't even know that e.l.f. made sponges, but this looks exactly like the Makeup Revolution one. It's even got like the bigger pores. It's already pretty soft though, so as long as this gets a little bit bigger, it'll be nice. I'd never seen this before. This is their Pop of Glitter Makeup Transforming Gel in the shade Turquoise Twilight. It comes in like a squeezy lip tube. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. Ooh. I also got these e.l.f. booster drops. This is in the hydration one. It says, this lightweight booster supercharges your routine to help create hydrated, plump-looking skin. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added to any foundation, liquid, or cream enriched with vitamin E to nourish the skin. So it comes in like a nice little packaging. It's glass and has a glass applicator and like a squeezy kind of thing. That's pretty cool. I think a lot of companies are taking the example from The Ordinary because they have that like simple but luxurious feeling packaging. So here's another lip. This is a High Shine Intense Gloss in Crushed Berries. I'm just destroying this packaging, by the way. Ooh, that's such a pretty color. Both of these colors are going to be so like cute for Valentine's Day looks. I'm not a huge gloss person, but sometimes it's appropriate. 3-in-1 mascara. I don't remember ordering any of this, to be honest. Oh, very nice. It comes with a little, I think this is a lot like the IT Cosmetics Superhero one with the end that you can use to just go through and just hit the lower lashes. That's cool. That's cool. I always need more mascaras. Liquid matte lipstick in the shade Vampy Violet. This is very dark. This will probably end up going to my boss. She loves dark purples. This is so pretty. I don't have any colors like this. Same vaginal applicator. Look at that. e.l.f. making like the two gorgeous matte lipsticks. Here's a dramatic lash kit. These look, to be honest, terrible. I got a shimmering facial whip. I swear I don't remember ordering any of this. It's literally that long ago. That's actually really, really pretty. It'd be like a nice blush. And then last I got a baked eyeshadow in the shade Enchanted. Melissa will probably end up getting this. This is her, like, this is totally her color. I'm gonna swatch it though. Hope she doesn't mind. These, I think everybody knows by now, but if you take off the top layer, if you scratch it off, it becomes Incred. Yeah, it's kind of sucking right now. Alright, so I really, really scrubbed and got some. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's not as metallic as I thought it would be, but I bet if you get it wet, it would become very metallic-y. Alright guys, so that is it. $50 at e.l.f. gets you a lot. I hope you guys like hauls. Just let me know. Honestly, I'm just trying to mix my content up as much as possible. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on any of this stuff, just let me know. Like I said, I got it because it was relevant at the time. But then, you know, it took a month to get here. I'm such a whiner when it comes to shipping, but I'm also like the most impatient person ever. I'm sorry. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.